Welcome to my home lab. In this video we will install OpenmediaVault 7. The first thing we need to do is to download the image from OpenmediaVault. Here we have the link, download, and then stable. Get the latest stable version. If we want to make a USB drive with the ISO, I use Rufus. You can download it here. With Rufus, you can put the OpenmediaVault ISO on a USB stick. We select the image, OpenmediaVault. All the rest is okay. Start. Write the ISO image mode. Okay. Be careful, all data gonna be lost. Okay. And we are done. I'm gonna speed up the video and come back if everything is ready. The USB stick is now ready and we can use it to start up the server. We will come back with the setup from OpenmediaVault. After starting up the server with the USB stick, we can install OpenmediaVault. The first thing we need to do is to select the language, the location, and the keyboard layout. I have speed up the video. Now we select the host name, in my case, my home lab, but you can choose whatever you want. And the domain name local. Now we give the root password. You need it later. Again, root password. And the time zone. Now we select the Debian server to download updates, the mirror and the proxy. In my case, we don't need that. Select the device for the bootloader. The installation is complete. The first part. Now the system is rebooting. Need to remember this IP address for later use. We see that in a moment. We log in, root, and the password we give before. And we do apt update. Now we download the latest software. And we do apt upgrade to install all the updates. Yes. And we're downloading everything. Again, I need to speed up this. Install a mail server, but for now that's okay. Now we can install everything. Again, we have to speed up this. Now we do a reboot. Start up the server again. Remember the IP address here. We need it in a moment. Now we can go to our browser and open 192.168.1.37. Now we can log in. The first time, the username is admin and the password OpenmediaVault. Show you OpenmediaVault and login. Now we are on the dashboard and can configure everything. You see here, pending configuration changes, you must apply these changes. So we do that. Yes. This window we can close. Here we go to the settings. We do all and save. And we have our dashboard. The next from the configuration is for the next video. It was it for today in this video. Thank you for watching. Support the channel and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time. Thank you very much.